Hi everyone, this is Sarah Lipkowitz with the Homestead team of Hagen Realty. Today we're at 15104 Gardner Road in Waldorf, Maryland. This 21-acre turnkey equestrian facility is just 20 miles from the district. And behind me we have the main barn and indoor arena. In the main barn you'll find 15 stalls with automatic waterers, 2 tack rooms, an office, a bathroom, a lounge with a viewing area, and a feed room. Attached to that you have the indoor arena, which is 20 by 40 meters with TruTex footing, mirrors, and brand new LED lighting. The farmhouse has 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and a ton of updates. I am so excited for you to come take a look. This property also comes with a 2.35-acre buildable lot. So for more information, visit www.15104gardner.com.